In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from analytics fast and easy. We all know how invaluable data can be in making informed decisions for your website or business. So let's dive right into it and ensure you're getting all those crucial insights efficiently. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where you can control and analyze everything related to your site. To do this, simply log into your website's backend, and you should see the dashboard right on the screen. It may seem like a small step, but it sets the stage for everything else. If you've never accessed the backend before, use the login credentials you set up when creating your site. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click on Analytics. This section is the heart of understanding how your site performs, offering a treasure trove of information on various metrics. By clicking here, you're accessing the tools that will help you make well-informed strategies, whether for marketing or content creation. After you've opened the Analytics page, you'll need to click on Revenue. This is where you can find detailed reports on the income your site generates. Whether you're selling products or offering services, understanding your revenue figures is key to evaluating performance and identifying trends. The revenue data will not only show you what's working, but it will also highlight areas that might need a little more attention. Next, set the filter by date range. This step allows you to specify the exact period you want to analyze, be it daily, weekly, monthly, or any custom time frame that suits your needs. By focusing on particular dates, you can hone in on specific campaigns or promotions and see their direct impact. To do this, locate the calendar or date range selector, usually at the top of the revenue page, and customize it to your desired time frame. Finally, it's time to export your data. At the top right of the screen, you'll find the Export button. Clicking this will initiate the download of your analytics data in a CSV format, which is incredibly versatile and can be opened with spreadsheet applications like Excel. This downloaded file provides you with raw data that you can further manipulate and analyze to your heart's content. WooCommerce does an excellent job of making this straightforward, ensuring that exporting data is as seamless as possible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly export your analytics data, giving you invaluable insights into your site's performance. Whether you're analyzing past performance or planning future strategies, these insights will become your guiding light. So go ahead and try it out. Happy analyzing!